If you're seeing a Lucidchart document recovery error, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can help you open the document, recover your work, and get back to editing as fast as possible. These steps are simple, safe, and work well whether the issue is caused by your browser, your connection, or a corrupted file. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Lucidchart in an incognito or private browsing window. This is one of the fastest ways to test whether the problem is being caused by your browser cache, cookies, or extensions. In Chrome, Edge, or another browser, open a private window, sign in to Lucidchart, and try loading the document again. If the file opens normally in private mode, that usually means the issue is with your regular browser session rather than the document itself. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can interrupt Lucidchart while it tries to load or recover a diagram. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to another network or even a mobile hotspot to see if the file loads better. Sometimes a simple network change is enough to fix the recovery error immediately. Now make sure you're logged into the correct Lucidchart account. This is very important, especially if you use multiple emails or sign in with single sign-on. If you're not signed into the exact account that owns the document, Lucidchart may not show the file properly or may block it from loading. Double check the email address in the top corner and confirm it matches the account connected to your diagrams. If the document still won't open, the next step is to fix browser rendering issues. Lucidchart uses browser rendering features that can sometimes cause loading problems, especially on certain systems. Open any Lucidchart document, then go to View, then Rendering, and look for WebGL. Try turning WebGL off and then reload the document. This can solve a lot of blank screen, freezing, or recovery-related problems. You should also check your browser's hardware acceleration setting. In many browsers, this is found in the settings under System. Look for the option that says Use hardware acceleration when available, turn it off, and then restart your browser completely. After the restart, go back to Lucidchart and test the document again. If the issue was caused by graphics rendering, this often clears it up. If you're still stuck, go to your Lucidchart documents page and find the file that's giving you trouble. Hover over the document, click the three-dot menu, and choose Make a Copy. Opening a duplicated copy can sometimes bypass a glitch in the original file and allow Lucidchart to recover the content more smoothly. If the file opens but is missing elements or seems partially corrupted, look for revision history. Open the document, click the menu icon, go to File, and then select Revision History. This lets you review earlier versions of the diagram and may help you restore a working copy. Keep in mind that revision history may require a premium Lucidchart plan, so if you don't see it, Lucidchart might ask you to upgrade. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the Lucidchart document recovery error. Start with Incognito mode, then check your network and login, then move on to WebGL, hardware acceleration, and finally duplicating or restoring the file. That step-by-step order gives you the best chance of recovering the diagram without making the issue worse. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.